In today's video, I'll teach you how to add page border in Microsoft Word. So if you want to add the page border, it is actually very simple. First of all, open the Microsoft Word. You can see over here I have already opened it. Now click on this option page layout that you can see at top. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. If you look right over here, you'll be able to find this section for page background. You can see the options for watermark, page color and page borders over here. Click on this option page borders. Now you'll be able to add the borders. Right over here you can see the options like none, box, shadow, 3D, custom. You can simply click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you can also choose the style. Simply click on the style of your choice. You can also choose the color by clicking on the field of color. Now you can simply select the color of your choice. Likewise, you can also select the width. Also, you'll be able to select the art. Now after you do that, click on this option OK that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here the page border has been added. So that is how you add page border in Microsoft Word. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.